Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to change the wallpaper on Mac. So one of the easiest way to change the wallpaper is just go to the desktop screen, and here you can right click, and here you get an option to change the wallpaper, which will open directly the wallpaper settings menu. If you are not comfortable with that, you can click on this Apple logo here at the top, go to system settings, and within the system settings you can switch to wallpaper, which will open the same window. There are a lot of options here in the wallpaper that you can choose from. There are multiple dynamic wallpapers that will change according to the time of the day, and also there are some other wallpapers that have been added, like these all 3D wallpapers. And if you are not into dynamic wallpapers, there are also some static wallpapers like landscape, cityscape, all these wallpapers where you can just choose and it will download if it's not already available on your system. Once it is downloaded, it will be applied. So you can see here right now it is being downloaded. So if you just go and click on this landscape, so you can see this is the wallpaper that has been applied here. Now apart from that, what you can do is you can also choose your own photos as a wallpaper. So you can choose from the Photos app if you already have anything uploaded in your cloud photos, or else you can apply something from your library or from your file explorer. So once it is selected, it will be applied. There are also other options here, like you can see this Mac dynamic wallpapers, and if you do not want any wallpaper, you want just a solid color, so you can choose one of the solid colors available and it will be applied. So in this way you can change the wallpapers. So apart from that, if you want to change the screensavers also, you can choose the screensaver option, which will also help you to set up a screensaver. So right now it is set to never, but if you want screensaver to be active after 5 minutes of inactivity, then you can choose the 5 minutes inactivity, and whatever this preview is appearing here, it will be applied as a screensaver. So you can see the screensaver, it is right now it's become a dynamic, and you can see the water is wavy. So this is how the screensaver will be applied. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.